Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a full review of the all-new 2025 Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece on wheels that blends cutting-edge design, high-class comfort, and incredible performance. If you've ever dreamed of a home that moves with you, offering every bit of luxury and convenience while traveling the open road, this motorhome is built to turn that dream into reality. The first impression hits you as soon as you look at the exterior. The 2025 Luxury Motorhome carries a bold, aerodynamic shape with a sleek finish that looks more like a futuristic luxury bus than a traditional RV. Chrome accents along the grille, sharp LED headlamps, and an elegant paint scheme give it a commanding road presence. The panoramic windows stretch across the sides, allowing light to flood in while also giving passengers a wide-open view of the world outside. Built on a reinforced chassis with state-of-the-art suspension, this motorhome is designed not only for beauty but also for stability and smooth handling, even on long cross-country trips. Stepping inside is like entering a high-end penthouse suite. The interior has been crafted with premium leather seating, rich wood trims, ambient lighting, and a fully customizable layout. The living area feels like a modern lounge, with reclining sofas, a large smart TV, and surround sound audio for entertainment on the go. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, oven, and even a dishwasher, all seamlessly integrated into a sleek countertop design. It's not just a kitchen, it's a gourmet cooking space designed for those who want 5-star meals while traveling. The motorhome also features a private bedroom with a king-size bed, luxury bedding, and automated blinds for privacy and comfort. The bathroom is spa-inspired, with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and a space-efficient design that feels far from cramped. Add in climate control, smart home technology, and wireless connectivity throughout the vehicle, and you have an experience that makes it hard to believe you're actually on the road. Performance is another area where the 2025 Luxury Motorhome shines. Powered by a robust hybrid diesel-electric engine, it offers a powerful yet efficient drive. The motorhome glides smoothly, with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and advanced braking systems providing safety and comfort. Despite its size, the handling is surprisingly agile, and the ride quality rivals some of the best luxury SUVs. Fuel economy has also been improved compared to previous models, giving travelers more miles per gallon while maintaining strong towing capacity for additional gear or even a secondary vehicle. Of course, luxury comes at a price, and the 2025 Luxury Motorhome is positioned at the premium end of the market. Depending on customization and features, prices start around $450,000 and can go well beyond $650,000 for fully loaded versions with advanced smart features, extended battery packs, and high-end finishes. It's an investment, but for those who value mobility, freedom, and uncompromised luxury, it delivers an experience that no standard RV can match. So whether you're planning epic road trips, extended vacations, or even a full-time lifestyle on the move, the 2025 Luxury Motorhome offers a perfect blend of design, comfort, and performance. Stay tuned as we explore more automotive marvels, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. This is not just another luxury motorhome. It is a complete 5-star suite on wheels designed for those who demand more than just transportation. From the very first look, the SkyLounge XL makes a statement with its sleek aerodynamic design, glossy body finish, and signature LED light strip that runs across the front like a piece of futuristic art. The golden accent lines along the side panels catch the sunlight beautifully, making the bus look premium and powerful even when standing still. The massive panoramic windshield provides a commanding view of the road ahead, giving the driver and passengers a true feeling of openness. Step inside and the luxury really begins to unfold. The interior is crafted with top-quality materials, soft leather seating, polished wooden flooring, and a starry LED ceiling that creates a first-class ambience. The lounge area offers spacious reclining sofas, a large LED TV, and a surround sound system perfect for family movie nights. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, featuring a stainless steel sink, induction stove, mini fridge, and smart storage cabinets. Moving towards the rear, you'll find a cozy bedroom with a queen-sized bed, side lamps, and a small window that lets you enjoy the view of the road or mountains while resting. The bathroom is sleek with a modern sink, vanity mirror, and even a standing shower, giving you a hotel-like experience no matter where you are parked. Performance-wise, the SkyLounge XL is built on a powerful hybrid diesel-electric engine that provides smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. It handles highways and city roads effortlessly thanks to its adaptive suspension system that adjusts automatically for a smoother ride. Driving this motorhome feels stable and controlled even at higher speeds, and the advanced braking system ensures maximum safety. The cockpit is a tech lover's dream, with a fully digital display, touch controls, and driver assist features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras for easy parking. When it comes to price, the SkyLounge XL sits in the premium category but offers incredible value for what you get. The base price starts around $280,000, while the fully loaded variant with custom interior packages can go up to $350,000. Considering it replaces your home, hotel bills, and gives you the freedom to travel anywhere with luxury and comfort, it's worth every dollar. So, if you've been dreaming about road trips with all the comforts of home, the 2026 SkyLounge XL is definitely a motorhome to consider. It combines style, comfort, performance, and technology into one complete package, giving you the freedom to live, travel, and explore on your own terms. If you love this review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future luxury vehicle reviews. We're taking you inside one of the most unique and exciting vehicles of 2025, the Home Bus Life Edition. Imagine a home on wheels that brings together luxury, comfort, and functionality all in one beautiful package. This bus isn't just a way to travel, it's a lifestyle. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior that feels more like a modern apartment than a vehicle. The living space is fitted with premium couches, LED lighting, and a sleek entertainment system that includes a large TV and surround sound speakers, perfect for movie nights on the road. Moving further inside, the kitchen area is surprisingly well equipped, with a 2-burner stove, refrigerator, microwave, and plenty of counter space for cooking meals. Everything is designed with a focus on maximizing space, using hidden storage compartments and foldable features so nothing feels cramped. The bedroom is cozy yet roomy, featuring a queen-sized bed with overhead cabinets, ambient lighting, and privacy curtains to make it feel like your own little retreat. And of course, no home on wheels would be complete without a bathroom, and this one delivers with a modern shower, a compact toilet, and a vanity sink that gives you all the essentials you need even when traveling far from home. On the outside, the 2025 Home Bus Life makes an instant impression with its bold yet clean design, aerodynamic body, and stylish paint finish. Large tinted windows not only look premium but also flood the interior with natural light. It rides on heavy-duty wheels and a reinforced suspension system, giving you confidence on highways and off-road adventures. The exterior storage compartments are huge, allowing you to carry bikes, camping gear, or anything else you might need on a long trip. Performance-wise, this bus is powered by a high-torque diesel engine that balances strength and efficiency. It handles surprisingly smoothly for its size, with responsive steering and excellent stability even on long drives. Fuel economy is better than you'd expect, making it a practical choice for those who want to travel frequently without breaking the bank on fuel costs. As for the price, the 2025 Home Bus Life is positioned as a premium but still affordable option compared to full-size RVs. The base model starts at around $145,000, but if you opt for the higher trim levels with luxury upgrades like solar panels, smart home integration, and high-end appliances, it can go up to around $180,000. Considering the comfort, mobility, and freedom it gives you, it's an investment in a completely different way of living. This vehicle is perfect for digital nomads, adventure-loving families, or anyone dreaming of taking their home with them wherever they go. If you're into van life but want something bigger and better equipped, this could be the ultimate upgrade. So if you're ready to take your road trips to the next level, this 2025 home bus life might just be the dream machine you've been waiting for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and lifestyle inspiration from the world of motorhomes and luxury travel.